Hello friends, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Maria Casita and I'm so glad you're here. In today's video, we're going to be updating our December challenges. I have some happy mail, and guys, we are going to be working on our last budget with me for the year 2025. Can you guys believe that? Honest to goodness, it almost makes me emotional that this year's almost over, guys. If this is content you're interested in, please stay tuned. Alrighty, guys. And by the way, don't let the mug fool you. It says let it snow, and I'm a no. I don't want any snow, but unfortunately, we are due to get some snow Saturday into Sunday this weekend. So, y'all, I'm not going to be happy, but I am blessed that I have no appointments early next week. And, I'm going to go out today, possibly get a couple things that I didn't pick up earlier this week, and we'll be set. So I'm going to just try and stay positive. Guys, if you do get snow where you're at and you need to travel, you need to go out, please be safe. Take your time. Alrighty, guys, before we get started with these two, I do have some happy mail. Guys, this happy mail is from Melissa at Budget Stuff Save Repeat. She is such a sweetheart. Let me just tell you, in case you guys are not familiar with Melissa and her channel, head on over there. I'm going to link her in the description and show her some love. Subscribe to her channel. She is truly one of the most motivational creators here in the budgeting community. Honest to goodness, the way she saves, the way she's preparing for retirement, preparing for the future, it is truly a blessing to watch. I get so motivated when I watch her. And guys, when I grow up, I want to be just like her. All right, so be sure to check her out. This is a beautiful card. Oh, look at what we have here. Here's to a season as wonderful as you are. Merry Christmas. Love, Melissa. How cute. Look what it is, guys. It's a binder accessory. Oh, and look how pretty. Oh, let me take it out. 1 second. Oh, I am definitely going to put this to use. How thoughtful of her to send this out. Oh, would you look at that? Look how pretty. It is definitely giving spring vibes. So I am loving that because, as y'all know, a lot of us are, redoing our binders. I'm not necessarily getting new binders, but you know what? Accessories make binders so pretty. So I'm definitely going to be using this. Thank you so much, Melissa, for being such a lovely, generous person. Because last year, was it last year? Yeah, last year she sent us letter openers. And I just thought that was so sweet of her. So again, thank you so much. Alrighty, I'm going to put this to the side. And we are going to move on over. Let me see if I can put my card here. I don't think you guys can see it. Before we do our budget, let's move on to our December challenges. We've got Yenzi here from Budgeting My Debts. I need a die. We are going to roll and see how much we have to save today. $2. All right, I ain't mad at it. $2 going into this one here. And our next challenge is from Taj at Beautiful Budgets. This is our no spend, low spend days. And yesterday was a no spend. So we're just putting $1 here. Today, I need to go to the bank. And honestly, I'm not sure that I'm going to be doing anything other than go to the bank. So we'll wait. We'll wait. I was going to say we can fill that out now, but no, I think I'm going to wait. Alrighty, so guys, I was not kidding when I said that it really makes me emotional that this year is over. Every year that goes by, it's like, Lord, thank you. We made it. And even though we still have a few weeks and God knows anything can happen, I just want to thank God for life, just for this year. I was blessed with my very first great-granddaughter. And, just a lot happened throughout the year. But you know what? I'm still standing, and I thank God for that. I truly do. And I hope you guys, even though things happen, we go through trials and tribulations, we lose people we love, we have job loss, income loss, whatever the case may be, guys, through it all, we need to remain positive and just take a moment to thank God. Thank God for, you know what, even though it wasn't perfect, even though there was a couple of bumps in the road, you saw me through and I'm still here. And that is my message for the day. So let's get started. We've got our budget by paycheck from the Budget Mom. And guys, I have my new one and I cannot wait to get started. This here is our last entry for 2025. Wow. All I can say is wow. I cannot believe that this year is quickly coming to an end. All right, so we are here. I did fill out some of the information because I didn't want this video to be super long. Guys, I'm going to zoom you in right now. You guys can see what I'm working on. And we are working on paycheck number 2. Now, I'm going to be budgeting $14.50. Our mortgage went up this month. This is the second payment. I make 2 payments a month, one on the 1st and one on the 15th. So this is the second half, $530. American Water is $15. Our internet bill is $30. iCloud is $10. PlayStation is $11. We're going to pay $25. Bank of America. HP Inc. is $6 and Google is $5. All right, so we're going to add these amounts up. $530 plus 15 plus 30 plus 10 plus 11, 25, 6, and 5 for a total of $632. That leaves us with $818. All right, now we are going to bring that $818 down. And for groceries, this period, we're going to put $300 down for groceries. Gas, we're going to do $50. Dining out, I'm going to increase it a little bit, guys. And the reason for that is because the kids will be on vacation. They are going to be out of school. Their last day is the 19th, and I believe they go back on the 5th. Either the 5th or the 6th, I'm not sure, but that's a long break, which I am truly excited for. And, you know, we're just going to save a few extra dollars. Normally, we do $60 for dining out. We're going to save just a little extra in case we do head out and, you know, pick up something to eat. Fun Day is getting $20. Miscellaneous is going to get $30. So I believe that is 3 for $500. There's no need for me to add that. That's $500. And minus $818, guys, that leaves us with $318. Now we are going to use that full amount, $318, towards some of our savings challenges. We don't have many challenges, so let's see, $318. So it's going to go towards our mini, towards our most basic box ever, and I believe our $5 family binder, because as some of you may know, most of my binders, pretty much all my binders, are done. They are done for 2025, and I've already emptied them. The only one that I'm still actively working on is my mini savings challenges, because I'm going to do them all the way until the very last Monday for the month of December. All right, so we bring the $318 down, guys. That gives us a leftover of $0. I am not paying extra on debt this pay period, but we are going to tackle this heavy come January. And let's see, we started out with $14.50 minus $632 plus $500 plus $318, guys. That gives us a $0 balance. All right, so pretty simple. Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to go over here and we are going to see how much money we need from the bank. I do plan on going to the bank. Let me grab this. Right after, probably after I do this, I'm going to head on over to the bank. I don't want to go too late, just to take the money out. So we've got, let's see, 20, 50s and 100s. 300 going into groceries. So we're just going to do 2 50s and $200 bills. Gas is getting $50. We're going to do 110 and 2 20s. Dining out is getting 100. We're going to do 5 20s. Fun day is getting 20. We are going to do, let's do 120. Let's keep it super simple. And then we are going to do miscellaneous is getting 30. So we're going to do a 10 and a 20. Now we have $318, and that's an odd amount. I usually don't do odd amounts like that, but so we've got 18 and 1s. We're going to do 50 and 5, so that's 10 $5 bills. We're going to do another 50 and 10s, so that's going to be 5 $10 bills. And then we're going to do 220s. That is 10. All right, so let's bring this here. The total count is 18 1s, 10 5s. We've got 5, 6, 7 10s, 10, 11, 12, 17, 18, 19 20s. We have 2 50s and 2 100s. All right, so this here is going to be 200. Guys, I really hope you guys can see this. This is 100. 19 20s is 380. 7 10s is $70. 10 5s is $50, and 18 1s. So now we're just gonna add this here up. We're gonna add this here up and make sure that the amount is correct. We should have, let's see, 318 plus 30 plus 20, 100, 818, that is correct. And let's count this money going across. We have $18 plus 50 plus 70 plus 380 plus 100 plus 200. Guys, $818. It took me until the end of the year to finally get it right without making any mistakes. But guess what? I finally did it. So that means hopefully 2026 will go off with no issues at all. Alrighty, so we're going to fill this here out. Now, ones, we are going to get 18 ones. That value is $18. Fives, we're going to get 10 fives, and that is $5. We're going to do 7 10s. That's $70. We're going to do 19 20s. That's $380. And we are going to do 2 50s, which is $100, and 2 hundreds, which is $200. Oh wait, this should be 50. I was wondering, that don't look right. Okay, so again, we're gonna add this real quick. That's 18 plus 50 plus 70 plus 380 plus 100 plus 200 is $818. Alrighty, so we are all set. Once again, I'm going to be heading out to the bank soon, and I'll be back with a cash stuffing of my wallet, and then we're going to decide which amount is going to be going towards our savings challenges and exactly which savings challenges is going to get the money. Alrighty, guys, I hope you guys are doing well. I hope that this year has been a fabulous one for you and your finances. I hope you guys crush your goals. I am going to go over the goals that I had set for myself for 2025 and then list the goals that I plan on working on for 2026. That'll be coming up in a few days. Guys, take care of yourselves. Stay blessed. Again, if you're anywhere where you're having snow, extremely frigid temps, please be safe. Take care of yourselves out there and take your time. I know this is a busy time of the year and everybody is just like the hustle and bustle of the holidays, but slow down. Slow down. It'll be there when you get there. Alrighty, guys, take care, stay blessed, and we will be chatting soon.